1:30 and I left the Pasco State Park in Kansas, and I am heading home. Not going to veer too far off the highways, but I am going to stop and see some sights and enjoy myself on the way back. I'm about 34 miles from Pratt. Not sure if I've crossed into Texas. I don't know yet. Anyway, not a whole lot out here. It's been a pretty decent drive so far. Not much traffic. I've got, he's back there a ways now. I was going to say an RV on my tail, but he's pulled back pretty far. But I just stopped back there in Pratt, or whatever town that was back there, and got gas, and it was $2.34 a gallon. That was exciting. Anyway, like I said, not sure exactly where I'm at. It's a little bit cloudy, and it's been a pretty darn good drive so far. Debating whether or not to go into the Grand Canyon. We'll see. Anyway, I'll bring you back later. Bye. Okay, so I was at Norma's RV park, cockroach infested. Even though it's windy, the winds aren't quite as bad, so I'm going to go ahead and head towards Winslow, Arizona. It's 6 o'clock at night, keeping a close eye on the weather, and the wind is supposedly supposed to start dying down. It's less now than it was when I pulled off the highway, so I took off. But I had to turn this on and show you this sunset. Let me pull over. This is the most gorgeous sunset I think I have ever seen. Look. I'll try and get a snapshot. I'm sure it'll come out prettier.